To start the treatment, cleanse the skin well with a gentle cleanser. Here we're using the Nimue Cleansing Gel. Next we need to sterilise the skin, and for this we're using GERnétic Sebo Ger and just wiping that over the skin. To start the treatment, we're going to mix our powder and our solution liquid. Empty the entire contents of the powder into a small bowl. If you have the pump, use 5 to 6 pumps. If you have a separate glass vial, just empty the entire contents into the bowl and mix well. Working in sections, we apply to the skin, starting on the forehead. We're then going to use circular motions to work that into the skin and a press-pull technique. Continue on to the left side of the face, apply product, and working with circular movements and that press-pull technique and some pressing into the skin, work it well over the top of the skin. Repeat this on the other side of the face. We're going to apply to the neck, and here we're using a brush. The neck is much more sensitive, so as you work the area, be quite gentle on the neck. Your client may at this point start to feel some heat in the skin, that's normal. Now work over the whole face and press some of that product well into the skin. Next we're going to remove any residual product, and here we've used a cleansing gel with some water, and just to soften and emulsify that product we're working over the skin. Use dampened fibrellas to remove the residual product. You can be quite firm here when you remove, it's actually more comfortable for the client. Next we're going to apply a mask, and we're going to use a soothing alginate to take some of the heat out of the skin. To prepare, we put tissues around the hairline. Mix our alginate with water and apply that over the face, neck and the eyes. If you would prefer to use a sheet mask, you may do that. You can use an ice hammer just to cool the skin. Leave the mask to act for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the mask. You'll feel a lot of heat here in the skin, and that mask has cooled the skin down considerably. Any excess mask remove with some dampened fibrella. To finish, use a cooling, soothing gel. Here we're using GERnétic's Calming Care. Massage that well over the skin. Once that's penetrated well into the skin, we are finished.
Visit our website to claim your free trial pack or schedule a consultation or in-salon demonstration.